Morning guys, it's the weekend again, woohoo! Which means we're working on Reggie the Transit. I want the interior stripped and we're going to start designing this rear bunk. I'm going to start building that. Before I head down there, I wanted to tell you a little something. Big reveal for the channel. A couple of years ago, I sat down with my wife and I was like, do you know what? I've worked hard. I've always wanted a BMW M4 competition. That's what I want. She was like, that's cool. She was like, yeah. Good dreams, man. And then she went, do you know what I've always wanted? I was like, no, what's that? She went, I've always wanted a pub in the garden. I've always wanted a bar so we can entertain our friends, have our friends round. Basically, we can always just get pissed. We compromised, we came to some agreements. I thought I'd show you a big reveal, show you my BMW M4. I thought it'd go down well on the channel. You can see my M4 competition that I bought 2 years ago. You ready for this? You're gonna love it. So as you can see, this is my M4 competition. We compromised and I built her a pub. Get out of my pub. Why am I showing you this? I know you're like, what's he flexing a bar in his garden for? I'm not. The reason I'm showing you this is because I'm not a builder, I'm not a carpenter, I'm not a joiner or anything like that. But when I get my head into something, I try my best, you know. I try and make it look good. Do you know what? I'm gonna make the back of this Transit real nice. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be a nice place to be. It's gonna be a cool little feature. Make up some nice fiberglass surrounds and everything, so that, yeah, I think it'll be a nice place to be. But yeah, I wanted to show you this because I know you're probably thinking, what the hell is he gonna do? But ultimately, I built this on the back of a fag packet. I literally designed it, got a piece of A4 paper, drew a sketch, got about 4 tons of wood delivered, and got about it. I reckon we can make a good go of this Transit, you know, but I'm probably gonna rely quite a lot on your ideas. I want your input. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be asking you for ideas, but the first thing we've got to do, get down there, get the floor out, get it cleaned, start taking some measurements, because then I need to work out what seat I'm gonna have. I think I'm gonna have a captain seat, so it swivels round, so you can put your feet up, watch a bit of telly. It's gonna be class, it's gonna be amazing. You're along, ain't ya? You're here. Make sure you hit subscribe and I'll see you in the unit in about 4 seconds. Boom, we're here. Right, let's get on with this. I want this interior out today. We're gonna make some progress on the interior, get it cleaned up and start coming up with a plan for the back. God, I hate interiors. Two down, 5 to go. So give it everything that you got. Weird sat in the back. Well, I suppose I'm in the front now, aren't I? There's no front seats. I think there's a whole world of Ebola and the plague on these seats. Like, it is not nice. So I think I'm going to put a captain seat here. You know, like out of a T5 or something. Ugh. Oh my God. I'm a sympathy chucker, right? So if I see sick or anything like that, or if someone's sick around me, I just puke. If you've seen that scene in Team America, you know the one. America. Fuck yeah. So chances are, all of this interior is going to be for sale. Not for sale, I'll just give it away. So if you know anyone that wants it, hit them up in the comments. Don't tell me I've welded the seat in. You fucking joking? No. No way. Fucking hell. That's what that lever does, eh? Smooth. Right, we've got a problem, gang. Oh, I should have put my gloves on. I'm putting gloves on. Yeah, I kind of got this rule that before I touch people's bogies and spit and phlegm and bodily fluids, bag up. Right, it looks like some Oh, you twat. I've got to learn that that does that. Well, it's fucked, isn't it? Anyone want a free fucked seat? Oh my god, this is absolutely in a shit state. Look. So this is soaking, absolutely soaking in here. A fair bit of murder, death and horribleness in there. But the big pain in the ass, other than that wiring, that is another day, another day's job. The big pain in the ass, look, is what they've done, welded the runner in, welded the runner directly to the floor pan, fitted the seat onto the rail, and then just welded it. So it's got that, just fire a load of spatter at that. The seat is welded on the runner, so it can't move. I've been sat there like shunting backwards and forwards. I nearly prolapsed trying to get this chair to move. Don't Google what prolapse is if you don't know. Oh, anyway, right, back. I need to get this seat out. Right, let me devise a plan. I'll devise a plan. You sit there, enjoy yourselves, enjoy the show. One other thing I've just noticed is those back seats are not bolted in very well at all. Can you imagine paying customers in them? You have to sign a disclaimer to say you might die. Fucking hell. Look at that, falling apart. That. He's welded the actual base to the runner. So I can't get it out. Grinder out. Right, I need the grinder. Oh, actually, hammer might sort that out. Strong weld that, guys, strong weld. I need a bin bag. That'll do, donkey. Backseat time. I could really do with someone to help me here, but I ain't got anyone. Story of my life. See if that spanner will stay there whilst I go underneath. I heard it fall off. It fell off, didn't it, guys? It fell off. Right, I'm gonna have to phone somebody. Better phone the boss. Oh yeah, you. Oh yeah, I was gonna say I could do with some help. All right, thank you. See you in a bit, bye. Right, the boss is on her way. She can hold the spanner at the top. So I may as well take the opportunity to get rid of like all these brackets that I'm not going to need anymore because I'm not putting these seats back in. Well, that was tight. Do you think it'd be rude to say to my wife, can you bring the hoover down and do some hoovering? She'd probably stab me. What's your thoughts for the floor? Like carpet or rubber? Bearing in mind it's not going to be a working truck, is it? It's going to be a luxury rear. So what do I do with the floor? A nice decent shag pile. I don't know. Stick it in the comments. Anyway, whilst I wait for a lift, I've decided to do a quick giveaway. Do you want a giveaway? How do you fancy a giveaway? Do you fancy a hoodie? I have a Fight and Talk hoodie. I'll give you a hoodie, right? I will give a hoodie to whoever can tell me or guess correctly the name of my van, right? So, as you know, I'm a little bit of a weirdo. It started when the kids were young. So we've got Ronnie the truck, Reggie, so Ronnie and Reggie, the Craig recovery twins. Well, my van has got a name as well. See if you can guess what it is. If you can guess what it is, I will give what the What's that? I can still hear it. But yeah, listen, whoever guesses the name of my van, I'll send you a hoodie. Right, I've got some hired help. Say hello to Luke. I've always wanted a motorhome, you know. This isn't what I had in mind, but I listened to you and you told me to turn this into a day bed, a day sleeper, and that is what we are going to do. And do you know what? It's not a bad size. The problem is, at the moment, so as you can see, we've got 6 of the 7 seats out. This one ain't budging. It's been welded in and plated in the bottom. So ultimately, I'm gonna have to cut it out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna cut this seat out. I'm not using them again anyway. In fact, none of those 7 seats are going back in here. I've got a plan. Stay tuned on the channel. I've got an idea. But I've also, I need to have some sort of insulation in here so that it keeps the moisture out, bit of ventilation as well. But I'm gonna do this right. So I've taken the door cards off that side. I'm going to insulate in there. I'm going to make my own new door cards, so it's going to look a lot fresher, a lot more modern. All of this is going to get replaced. Yeah, right, we're getting there, aren't we?
Let's start removing shit.
I can't find my safety glasses anywhere, so I'm just going to look like the coolest bloke ever using an angle grinder. Interior's out, well, seats are out, door cards are in the skip. They've gone straight in the skip. If you know anybody that might want these, you can have them. Just let me know in the comments. So let me show you. This is what we've achieved today. It's absolutely cleared out. Obviously it needs a bit of a clean up in here. I found this little kitchen worktop, which is what I'm going to simulate the new bed area. See how big it is. Look at that. Oh, it's just ideal. Well, I'm 6'3". All right, I have got my feet in the wall. What do you think then? So you asked for it. So this is going to be our day sleeper. I think we got loads of space. Obviously, captain's chair is going to be there. I'm going to get a removable steering wheel, so the steering wheel can come off. Captain's chair can turn around. And then you've got like a lounge area. Probably going to get a captain's chair for the passenger seat as well, so both of those can swivel round. We'll have loads of space. Like, look at this. The bed, obviously, I'm going to have it a little bit higher, maybe with a fridge or a cool box underneath. Get all this insulated, so this will all be nice. And then we're going to have a TV in here as well. So I'm probably going to have the TV there, and I'll have that all built into this. So that'll look all smoothed out. So head end will be that end, feet here. Right, so I've got my measurements now. I've taken a map of it. I'm gonna go back, get a piece of paper, and start drawing up some plans. But yeah, exciting times. Oh, I'm gonna get the headliner off because it's minging and sagging. No one wants a saggy headliner. We'll obviously replace all these lights. Don't know what to do about this window. I don't know whether to blank it off. I don't know. What do you think? We're making progress, guys. We are making progress. I just need to, I think I need to cut out the, I'm going to have to cut out this rail here for this chair.
It's massive in there when you're sat in there, you know.
Oh, yeah. Right, welcome to your recovery vehicle for the day. We've got to try and get this to go backwards now. What could possibly go wrong here? Way up. Oh, what am I doing? This is where I absolutely smashed through someone's caravan now. Sounds good now, mine, doesn't she? Hey, Reggie sounds good now. Listen to that engine. Considering the engine is in the van with me. We're in guys, we're in its spot. You beast! Right, cheers for watching guys, see you on the next one. With